Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mengyao. Today I will present the topic of study of the quality of water resource in Malaysia and focus on the paper research in finding 2. From the findings that we have analyzed, it can be concluded that across 45 news articles that were selected, the water population issue has faced in Malaysia. According to the data collection from 2 different news agencies from Malaysia, the Straits Times and the Star News, both newspapers have clearly reported the harm caused by the water population to the people, such as the impact on the daily life. As we all know, with the rapid development of the industry, our drinking water resources are polluted to the different degrees. Then water population will pose a major threat to the survival safety of human beings, animals, and plants, and become a major obstacle to human health, economics, and so on. Therefore, the main point can be concluded in this fighting part is the consequence of the water population in Malaysia. This is in order to answer the objective 2 of the research paper, to analyze the consequence of the water population in Malaysia. Therefore, I have stated the 3 main results caused by the water population, which are disruption of the water supply. Number 2, impact on sewage treatment plants. And number 3, governments need to spend a lot of money. Therefore, the first problem bring to the people is interruption of the water supply. This is not only affect the lack of the water, but also lack of the water used in key places, such as the hospital, which cause a cutting amount of trouble to the life. As we all know, during the COVID-19, the hospital is the main place using. If we lot of the water using, there will bring the lot of harmful to the hospital. This had at least 12 reports from both 2 news agencies has mentioned. 1,196,457 account holders in more than 1,292 districts were affected by the water outage. Expect that the water population brings a lot of impact on sewage treatment plants as well. According to the news report on 19 October, Air Selangan Limited discovered an abnormal odor in the raw water resource, which led to shutdown of the drinking water treatment plants. And also, another report on 23 October has mentioned that the water population may have contaminated Sangan Langit and disrupted the operation of the Bukit Topi water treatment plants. From that news report, we can see this water population brings the impact, or we can see the influence on sewage treatment plants. This needs to shut down. And another problem, last but not the least, the government also needs to spend a lot of money to support the sewage treatment, such as in the Star News on 13 November has reported that the budget of 142 million ringgit has been approved by the National Water Service in commission to upgrade 644 sewage treatment plants to improve the quality of the sewage discharge. In conclusion, we can see from the finding 2, this has clearly shows that water population brings a lot of harmful to the human, not only in the daily life, in the using water, but also needs the government to spending money, if, especially during this hard time of the COVID-19. As we all know, water is essential substance in the daily life, which affected people's normal life, especially during the pandemic, become more difficult. However, water population also affected operations reach treatment plants, which has to spend as waste was legal discharged by the irresponsible persons. And the government also needs spending a lot of money to support the operation of the plants. That's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching my video. That's all. Thank you.